हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज सौम्या और आज हम हैं आईकार्स में और हमारे साथ हैं फातिमा मैम। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वाटर, जो एक ऐसी एंटिटी है जिसके बिना रहना नामुमकिन है। कि ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम लद्दाख में बहुत सारे चेंजेस आए हैं। वाटर एज एन एंटिटी वहाँ पे इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस रखता है। तो आपका जैसे मैं टॉपिक पे ये देख रही हूँ, वाटर टूरिज्म एंड क्लाइमेट रिस्क इन लेह लद्दाख। How has Leh changed over the past decade in terms of development, in terms of water availability? क्या-क्या changes आ रहे हैं?
So अगर हम if we are talking about the past 10 years, तो हमने देखा है कि लद्दाख का जो डेवलपमेंट एंड टूरिज्म जो है it has increased very rapidly. वहाँ पे if you go you will see there is increasing number of जो guest houses है, hotels है, home stays है, it has increased. Although उस चीज़ की वजह से there has been increase in income. अभी we have seen that जो लद्दाख का water है, even though it has वहाँ पे economy has been developed, लेकिन it has impacted the जो वहाँ का resources है, it has put pressure on them. And हमें पता है लद्दाख is a fragile mountain systems है वो, अब वहाँ पे there is pressure, the glaciers are receding, वहाँ पे there has been pollution in the water. So I guess जो development वहाँ पे हुआ, it has been affected water very badly. Tourism has been impacted water very badly if we talk about specifically of this one.
लद्दाख। तो why do you think कि water इतना critical resource है लद्दाख में?
बाकी अगर आप ज्योग्राफी देखेंगे, आप देखेंगे कि लद्दाख में जो मेन सोर्स ऑफ वाटर है दैट इज ग्लेशियर मेल्ट वाटर। वहाँ पे कुछ स्ट्रीम्स हैं एंड कुछ जो सम 1-2 देयर आर लेक्स जो वहाँ पे है। बट अभी क्या हो रहा है वहाँ पे, सेम अभी टॉकिंग अबाउट द टूरिज्म, ये जो resources है when I since I'm working in Ladakh, so I have seen कि during the time of like I have seen the change in just 5 years, so you can imagine how it has been changed in past 2-3 decades. So in the month of I visited in the month of April, so I saw the spring that used to have water in the month of April, it was like it was all dried up. So this I can see how climate change is impacting the kind of water's availability. It's a critical issue for a lake, and this needs to be in consideration that how we will manage the water in a sustainable way. जहाँ पे you talk with the local people, you take their views, like how in past they were managing this. वहाँ पे भी same we were having same water availability उस time, but there was less pressure. There were इतना tourism भी नहीं था, and there was they were using very some ancient methods that
everybody is attracted to hills. गर्मी आती है just because of climate change हर जगह हो रहा है, इंडिया के हर कॉर्नर पे हो रहा है, rather globally हो रहा है। तो the moment summers arrive, everybody runs back to hills. तो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि टूरिज्म ने ओवरबोर्ड कर दिया लद्दाख को, बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग हो गया उनके रिसोर्सेज को कैटर करने के लिए?
Yes, I guess it will be a very conflicting statement if I say, but sometimes I guess there should be a rule where you allow specific amount of people to these जो ना हम fragile कहते हैं, हमें we should know कि how much amount of people should visit. जितने कम, क्योंकि it's in our nature, जहाँ पे भी हम जाते हैं we do pollute there, जो जिसको zero civic sense बोलते हैं, we do have that.
क्लाइमेट चेंज की वजह से वाटर मैनेजमेंट एट लद्दाख और लेह इट्स बिकमिंग मोर डिफिकल्ट और कॉम्प्लेक्स। हाउ वुड यू से इट्स?
I would say that जो climate change हो रहा है, it's not just one thing, it's extreme. या लद्दाख में there will be, जब होगा it will be more water, flash floods होंगे and extreme rainfall होगा। जब when ऐसा the season changes and we are having both climatic extremes, dry and wet, so that means वहाँ पे drought के भी cases होते हैं। There are certain years जहाँ पे आपको there were no very less availability of water. I guess the first year when I visited Ladakh, it was in 2019, and I saw they were using जो tankers होते थे for the water, because वहाँ पे water availability नहीं थी। And जब and there I guess in 2020 that there was flash flood. So there is like जो climate change का impact on Ladakh, it's very bad. It's impacting it in a worse way. एंड हमारा जो है ह्यूमन इंटरफेरेंस जो आता है वो उसको इनहांस करता है इस चीज को। So I guess climate change it's
a concern these days.
So
and moreover, that would be my next question, ma'am, also that can there be a possibility कि लद्दाख को दो adverse conditions एक साथ फेस करनी, say for say the water scarcity or the floods?
Just I guess same question before. Yes, they do have faced the same way ये scenarios. they have faced the floods, they have faced the scarcity of water, and scarcity is increasing day by day. अभी क्या होता था जैसे earlier में जो हमारे जो वहाँ के जब while interviewing the people over there, तो I have seen जो ancestors है, they were not just ancestors, जो elderly people थे, they were like कि हम लद्दाख में we used to have dry compost toilets. Dry compost toilet means there is very less or no use of water in it. But अभी की जो जनरेशन है, going to the toilet we use flush, and flush में कम से कम 1 लीटर से भी पानी वहाँ पे you do use it. एंड जब आपको पता है कि वहाँ पे वाटर की अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है, सेम आप देखेंगे जब टूरिज्म उतना होगा तो दे विल बी यूजिंग सेम वाटर. सो वाटर पे प्रेशर बढ़ता जा रहा है. सेम एज द वाटर टेबल का जो वहाँ पे वाटर टेबल इज आल्सो रिसीविंग जो वेल्स का डेप्थ अर्लियर इट वाज सम 10 decades back, वो अभी नहीं है. इट्स गोइंग like it's decreasing with every year, some inches, some centimeters every year it's receding. So I guess जो लद्दाख है it faces dual changes, and लद्दाख की जो अथॉरिटी है, लद्दाख का जो गवर्नमेंट है, they should plan for both scenarios because it will happen in future.
In the fingers crossed for that, Fatima, and I'm giving you all the best for the upcoming summit, and looking forward for many more such discussions which would actually create a difference, because talking about the problems is a one thing, but giving the solutions and helping in implementing those solutions is another thing.
Yes, and also I guess one more point of resilience and sustainability summit is because we have already seen some of the gap areas. So I hope this conference will help us to
Fill up those gaps with this discussion. Definitely, all the best for that.